I found these rad candles from my office at the dollar store. They will replace the white candles in the sconces above my piano. They even match our glassware. They're supposed to look like they're bleeding as they burn, hence the red wax on the inside. But I don't want these to be one-and-done candles, so I'm going to convert them into electric candles.
Go. I'm gone. Go then. Well, I am.
I have a bunch of leftover electric tea lights. They were decorations for a friend's birthday party. So I'm going to carve out the center of the candles to fit these votives. As usual, I'm not entirely sure how I'm going to do this, but I have some theories. But first things first, parchment paper, as wax is very difficult to clean up. The outer shell of the candle is like hard plastic, so I'm using a regular soup spoon to break that open using the votive candle for reference. The wick on this candle was way off to the side, which is going to make it more difficult. Oven mitts on, and I fired up a spoon until it was smoking hot. I admit I expected this to cut through the wax like nothing, and I was dead wrong. A smoking hot spoon barely made a dent. And with all my prying, I broke off the fragile side of the candle. Great, I put that aside to melt it back on later. Next. Using a grill lighter, I aimed away from the wick and just straight up melt the wax. Is it working? Sort of, but it's very slow. At this rate, the simple project would take me all day, so no, we're not doing this. Next. Turns out the best thing to do is to let one candle burn while I worked on the other one and keep swapping them out.
Burn already!
That's the only thing that got the wax soft enough to work with. As I got deeper into the candle, I noticed that instead of expensive hard wax, the majority of it was filled with soft, spongy, cheap wax. So soft I could scoop it right out cold. It was the hard wax that was difficult to work around. I mean dollar store. You get what you get. After a lot of back and forth between candles, I finally get the hole deep enough that the votive can fit in and not be seen from the side. That's exactly what I want. And here they are in their new home. The votives are high enough that they cast a lovely glow and no one is any the wiser. I was also able to melt the broken edge back on the other candle. Luckily, it was on the back side of it anyway.
Subscribe.